Hello everyone, how are you all? My lovely student, hope so you all are fine and very good. Yeah, I am also fine, thank you so much. So, do you know which class do you study? You are in class LKG or you are in class nursery or you are in class UKG? Yes, you are in class UKG now, okay? Now tell me which subject is going on? Which subject is going on? Yes, English subject is going on. English subject is going on. Very good. So today we will do writing work. Please take your notebook, take your pencil, take your eraser and take your scale also. Okay? But first we will do prayer. So everyone please stand up. Hurry up. Everyone please stand up. Join your hands. Close your eyes. And repeat after me. Say loudly. Om Astoma Sadgamaya Tamsoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritangamaya. Slowly open your eyes. Yes, today we will learn how to write cursive small letter I and J. Okay, first I will explain how to write cursive small letter I, then cursive small letter J. Everyone sit properly. Now look here. See the board. Suppose this is your 4-line. This is your red line and this is your black line. Now look, no need to write, okay? Just look here. How to write I, cursive small letter I, okay? See how to write cursive small letter I. Which letter is this? I. Cursive small letter I. Okay, how to write? Now look here. This is your 4-line. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So between two black line. Now look here. Between two black lines. Start from this line. Slanting line. Turn this side. Turn this line. Make one point. Which letter is this? I. Cursive small letter I. Which letter is this? Cursive small letter I. Okay, now again look here. Between the black line, start from this line. Standing line. Turn the standing line. Turn the line. Make one point here. Which letter is this? I. Which letter is this? I. Cursive small letter I. Cursive small letter I. Okay, again now look here. No need to write now. How to write cursive small letter I? Keep your pencil here. Start from this line. Slanting line. Turn the standing line. Turn this line. Make one point. Sorry. Here make one point. Make I. Which letter is this? I. Which letter is this? I. Okay, now here also look here. Start from this line. Turn the line. Make one point. Which letter is this? I. Which letter is this? I. Okay, again now look here. We will make it L. How to write I? Look here. First I will make on the board. Which letter is this? I. Which letter is this? I. Which letter is this? I. Okay. Now start from here. Okay. Put your put your hands here. Start from this line. Slanting line. Turn the standing line. Turn the line. Make 1 point. Which letter is this? I. Which letter is this? I. Cursive small letter I. Cursive small letter I. Cursive small letter I. Okay, done. Now we will start our writing work. So please take your pencil, eraser, notebook and scale also. Yes, you have? Okay, very good. I will give you 1 minute. Start your writing work with your ma'am. Hurry up. First we will write the heading. Write neat and clean handwriting. And do the practice at your home. Suppose this is your red line. Right after red line, write CW and today's date. Write here CW and today's date here. Okay, done. Hurry up everyone. Okay, start your writing work with me. Done. Right after red line. Now start from this line. Write here C. C is capital. First letter is always come in capital. First letter is capital. C is capital. C U R S I V E cursive. C U R S I V E cursive. Take 1 finger distance. Cursive small. S M A L. One more L is here. It means double L. Cursive small. Cursive small. Small means chota. Do you know very well? I already taught you. Cursive small letter. Take 1 finger distance. Write here L P T. One more T is here. E R. Cursive small letter I. Cursive small letter I. Take 1 finger distance here. I. Comma here. Done. Hurry up. Draw two standing line. Here and here. Hurry up. I will give you 1 minute. Write the heading. Hurry up. Done. Start with your ma'am. How to write I between two black line. Start from this line. Slanting line. Turn the line. Turn this line. Make one point. Which letter is this? I. Cursive small letter I. Cursive small letter I. Okay. Now this line. Go to the next line. Here also same thing you have to write. Slanting line. Turn the standing line. Turn this line. Make one point. Which letter is this? I. Which letter is this? I. Cursive small letter I. Cursive small letter I. Everyone please say and write. Write neat and clean handwriting. Write till the last line. Don't write only 2 or 3 lines. Write in full page. Don't use eraser again and again. Okay. Done. Go to the next line. Again write here I. Cursive small letter I. Cursive small letter I. Done. Go to the next line. Leave one line. Leave one line. Hurry up. Done. Again write here I. Right after red line. Okay. Write your I. Standing line. Turn the standing line. Make one point. Which letter is this? I. Cursive small letter I. Cursive small letter I. Done. Go to the next line. Very good. Right here. Cursive small letter I. Make one point. Don't go out of the line. Write beautifully. Write neat and clean. Hurry up. Again write here I. I. Cursive small letter I. Cursive small letter I. Done. Okay, done. Again write here cursive small letter I. Make one point. Done. Hurry up. Again write here I. Cursive small letter I. Cursive small letter I. Write in full page. Hurry up. I will give you 2 minutes. Okay, now go to the next page. Write down the homework. HW and today's date. Write your same and CW. Okay, done. Leave one page for your homework. Then take out your new page. Go to the next page. Again write down CW. Now we will write cursive small letter J. First I will explain. No need to write now. Keep your pencil down. Look here everyone. Please keep practice at home. Write 3344 page for your practice. Okay, done. Now look here how to write J, cursive small letter J. Now look here again, no need to write now, keep your pencil down, just look here. See the board. How to write J, cursive small letter J. It is very easy. Okay. Suppose this is your 4 line. Okay. Cursive small letter J is come from this line. Okay. Now look here. How to write? See. Slanting line. Standing line. Turn the line. Make one point. Which letter is this? J. Cursive small letter J. Cursive small letter J. It is very easy. You have to just turn the line. Okay. Again, now look here. See between two black line. Start from this black line. Slanting line. Standing line. Turn the line. Make one point here. Okay. Which letter is this? I. Cursive small, cursive small letter J. Cursive small letter J. Again look here. Start from this black line. Slanting line. Standing line. Turn the line. Make one point is here. Which letter is this? Cursive small letter J. Cursive small letter J. Again look here. Slanting line, standing line, turn the line, make one point. Which letter is this? J. Cursive small letter J. Cursive small letter J. Okay, now I'll rub this. Okay, everyone look here. How to write J? Slanting line, standing line, turn the line, make one point. Which letter is this? J. Cursive small letter J. Cursive small letter J. Cursive small letter J. Now we will make in air. See. Do the action with me. Stand up. Okay. Now keep your hand here. Start from this side. Slanting line. Standing line. Turn the line. Make one point. Make J. Okay. Again do the action. Slanting line. Standing line, turn the line, make one point. Which letter is this? J. Cursive small letter J. Cursive small letter J. Okay. Now we will start our writing work. Take out your new page. Write CW and today's date. First we will write the heading. Start your writing work with your ma'am. Write neat and clean. Don't use eraser again and again. Write nicely. Right after red line, Suppose this is your red line. Write nicely. Write here CW and today's date. Write here date. Write the heading. Okay, start from this line. Write here C, capital letter C. C U R S I V E, cursive. CURSIVE, cursive. Everyone please say and write cursive. Take one finger distance. Write here S M A L L, cursive, small letter. Again take one finger distance. L E T T E R, cursive, small letter J. Take one finger distance. How to write J? Look here. Slanting line, standing line, turn the line, make one point, comma here and here. Done. Okay. Draw to standing line. Done. Hurry up. Okay, now start from this line. See, this is your 4 line, between 2 black line, slanting line, standing line, turn the line, make one point. Which letter is this? Cursive, small letter J. Cursive, small letter J. Now go to the next line. Right here also, slanting line, standing line, turn the line, make one point. Which letter is this? Cursive, small letter J. Cursive, small letter J. Done. Now again go to the next line. Again write here cursive, small letter J. Cursive, small letter J. Which letter is this? J. Cursive, small letter J. Everyone done this? Go to the next line. Leave this line. Go to the next line. Leave one line. Leave the line. Drop one line. Now again go to the next line. Right here J. Cursive, small letter J. Cursive, small letter J. Cursive, small letter J. Everyone say loudly. Cursive, small letter J. Say and write. Cursive, small letter J. Done. Write in the last line. Cursive, small letter J. Cursive, small letter J. Cursive, small letter J. Hurry up. I will give you 1 minute. Write fast. Hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Done? Okay. Now go to the next page. Write down the homework. Write here HW and today's date. And write here same as CW. Same as CW. Done this? Hurry up. Write neat and clean handwriting. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Write fast. Okay. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Keep practice at your home. Okay. Write 2 or 3 pages. Okay. Now bye bye. See you tomorrow. Please stay home, stay safe. Don't go outside. Wash your hands time to time. Okay. Bye bye, my lovely student.